Welcome to the Industry Insights. Today we have 5 impulses from industry, 3 from startups and 2 then from established companies. And this will be around the context of off-site, on-site, so what's in construction really being done, and also tackling the complexity we saw yesterday with Gravis Robotics to go on-site and what that means and how you can embed technologies in there. I'm very happy to have all the panelists here, starting with Ekaterina from Kevaso. So she is at one of our TUM Hero startups. So Kevaso started as a student initiative or a student project in 2016 and evolved then over the years now to a several million funded company. And we're very happy to have her here. She's a co-founder and CFO of Kevaso. And Kevaso is concentrating to digitize construction with robotics and data analytics, how we will see her in her impulse. And Ekaterina has a background in technology and innovation management, also graduating from TUM, and she will speak also about the startup management and how to scale up what is important in that industry, how to scale when you once have a step in that industry. We continue then next from an industry insight, slightly going away from the offsite to from the onsite to the offsite, and then back to the onsite of construction with Thomas from ABB. He's technology manager there on the ABB's robotics division, and he's driving the introduction of robotics in the construction industry. His background is in electrical engineering, and he also worked as researcher and as well in engineering and operation management before taking over his role as technology manager. He will be accompanied by Ulf Håkansson. He's also a technology manager and will present a showcase ABB did with Skanska. And for us, it's also important to see that collaboration evolves between established corporations as well, and that innovation does not only depend on startups or need to have a startup, but that the corporation, large experience they have, can function in a successful way. Here, Ulf has a background in geotechnical engineering and has been also an R&D director at the Skanska's headquarters, I think in Stockholm, right? In Stockholm, and adjunct professor at the Royal Institute of Technology in Stockholm. So he will just present and leave then Thomas on the panel, but we will have him then in the audience if you want to raise questions directly to Ulf. The next one, we are going further offsite, will be Anna, and also we integrate much more research there. So how research is fueling new startups and new ideas in the digital fabrication and the 3D concrete printing field, which is one of her focuses and also the thing she was following as researcher. In 2023, she co-founded Bitcrete to advance the application of sustainable digital fabrication with concrete in the construction industry, and how she will show in our impulse. Now, with our 4th impulse, Francesco, he is an architect as well and a structural engineer, specialized in structural optimization and performance-based seismic design. Since 2023, he's the CEO and co-founder of Vaulted, a digital fabrication startup with a special type of floor systems. It's called Ripman Floor System. You will explain in your impulse then what that means and how his research played into that. One side note, last Monday or 3 days ago, you successfully defended your PhD. So one extra round of applause. And we're closing with another industry perspective from a company that constantly seeks for innovation in construction. It's Leibfinger Bader, which is a traditional, a family-owned company for over 100 years and continuing to manufacture building materials in an innovative way. We have Julian here. He's one of our alumni of the TUM Department of Architecture, and he's researching and developing novel and industrialized construction techniques with earth and other materials. As I said, an alumnus, but already founded a startup while he was studying. It called Levaro, was it back then? And he won at the chair of Katrin Dörfler with his master thesis, the Hochschulpreis Holzbau in 2021. So thank you for being here on stage. You all have only 5 minutes. We need to stick on that because it's only impulse and want to have some time for the discussion afterwards. I pass over to Ulf, what Skanska and ABB is doing.